Okay, we moved over 20, so we should be cutting right on this corner. Appears to be. And we're going to be cutting, we have to cut extra over here. So once this thing cleans all the way around, then we know we got our center line back to where we need to be. And I can stop cutting at that point, make a bushing, sleeve this down so it's a snug fit, and see if our engagement's good. If it's not, I'll have to make some judgment. So we're 20 off right now. We'll see if it stays at 20 or if it's going to go to a tenth or so more. Okay, so right now it's going to cut 20 on the one side. So I'll just get that out of there right now. I have not done anything different, I just moved it over. So it's cutting all on one side only. So you can hear it cutting uneven. And so we're removing metal. 20 thou. More. See, my nose would be nice. Dark over here as usual. Okay, there's 10, which is going to cut 5 on both sides, but it's only going to cut. It's going to get 5 thou closer on this side. Ain't going to cut. It's going to cut 10 on that side, though. Actually, no, it's going to cut 5 on that side. I went 10 bigger, so I should have went 20 bigger. That's 20. Still not going to clean on this side. See that hit right there? This will get us halfway to where we need to be. So it's going to cut 20. I went 20 thou bigger, so it's going to cut 10 more on this side. And it's going to get 10 thou closer on this side. We're moving the center line over. It takes double the movement before it gets a bigger diameter before it cleans. It's just the way it goes. We'll take another big cut there. Another 20 off that side. Okay, so you can see how you're getting closer here. The black mark's starting to go away. So theoretically I got 20 more thou to go. I'm going to go 10. And then 5, and I'll sneak up on it, I think. Another 10 more. More and more the blocks going away. Theoretically, one more of those should clean it. We'll see. Another 5. Needs at least 10, I went 5. Sneak it up on it, I don't want to put any more on that. Yep, still got the black mark over there. And the black mark's still there. Has not gone away. So I'm gonna give another 5, and that should put me, should scrape the mark off. There's a thou and a half extra. What diameter are we up to right now? Okay, we got enough material. Good. This is 7/8, 875 OD. I got 775 left. Theoretically, the black mark should be gone now. Hit the brake a little bit. And the black mark is now gone, see? Yep. So now it should be a pretty round hole. So when you only cut on one side, the bit can be cocking over from chip load, which kicks you over falsely. That's why I'm going real slow. So I'm going to give it another 4 or 5 thou more, and then the hole should be round and on center. So we take light cuts. You can also put a little oil on there to make it help a little easier cutting too, but not really needed. Yeah. You hear it cutting even. You hear a little bit of vibration in the machine, so the head's got some clearance, so then it's cutting even, you can hear it. Okay, rough idea where we're at here in sizing. .783, 784, but I'm not hitting evenly in the hole, so it's probably 2 or 3 thou different than that. Okay, but it appears to be pretty round. Okay, so I'm going to stop at this point. What I don't like doing is changing stuff. Okay, I wasn't really paying attention to our offset, but we moved the machine moved over at 1/10 of a thou. You see how it's 20.1 thou now. So now I'm going to move my X over a little bit so I can pull my, got access to the bushing hole here, I think is what I need. I want to leave that in there. Yeah, I'm going to leave it on center. I'm going to pull this out. We'll pull this out instead. Hole feels fairly good, a little bit of vibration to it. The hole kind of goes like this a little bit. It's kind of wavy, you can feel the vibration cuts a little different as it goes down. You can feel it. It's not perfectly straight feeling. You can feel really good with your fingers what things are really doing. Okay, now we can actually measure to see what our diameter is. .790. 791, I think, that way. .91.5. So we lost a half when we pull it out. 791. Get there to see better. Okay, so now I got to turn this down to 791. See, we're at 875, 877, 874.5 right there. And we need to go that depth, whatever depth that is. 2 inches fine, it's just over 2 inches, about 250 roughly. So if I cut this down 2 inches at that diameter and bore the hole out for whatever diameter this thing is, we'll know what we got. So this is what diameter we got now. We're at 710. Roughly, yeah, pretty much where it's at, 7.9, 7.10. And we're 91, so that's 80 thou, so that's 40 thou wall. This will be 40 thou thick bushing when we're done. Alright, so I get to make that. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, let me get it all set up. We'll be back.